Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you have recited not all tables but at least few tables because using the tables we will learn multiply examples. That is one digit multiplication examples we are going to solve. So let us multiply 5 multiply 3. Now that are in horizontal form. So we will arrange that number vertically. It means TO, standing. So they have ones place. So that is why in ones column we will write 5. That is symbol. Right left side multiply and then 3. Now what we have to do, which is the next step, students? Now here 5 is multiplicand, right? In the starting I had told you, and 3 is multiplier. Now always you have to speak the table from multiplier to multiplicand. It means you have to speak the table of 3 to 5. So let us, you can see in the corner, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Now multiplicand is 5, so we will stop here and our answer is 15. 15 is product of this example. Okay, now next example, let us multiply 4 multiply 0, that is in horizontal. We will arrange them vertically, TO. So in ones column we will write 4 multiply 0. We know the properties of 0 because we know that multiplicand is 4 and multiplier is 0, and we know that the property of 0, what is the property? When a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. So that is why answer is 0. Okay, using the property we have solved this example. Next example is 3 multiply 2. So first step we will arrange them vertically, TO. Once they have, that is one place digit there. So 3 multiply 2. Now here, that is 3 is multiplicand, 2 is multiplier. What is the step? You have to say the table of 2 up to 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now you have to write answer 6. 6 is product of given example. Alright students, understood how we are solving the examples? Okay. Now next example, 2 multiply 4. Arrange them vertically as per TO concept. 2 multiply 4, और you can say into. multiply symbol को आप into भी बोल सकते हो, no problem. Now 2 is multiplicand, 4 is multiplier. So we have to speak the table of 4 to 2. It means up to 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Which is the answer we got here? Answer is 8. So 8 is product of 2 and 4. Okay. Next example, 6 multiply 1. We will arrange the given example 6 into 1. Here that is multiplicand and multiplier. We know that, and we have to find their product. So we will speak table of 1 up to 6. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6. So that is why product will come 6 multiply 1 will come 6. More example we will solve. They are vertical multiplication which are available in our textbook. In our textbook also we will solve examples, but before that you have to watch this video. multiplying one digit number by one digit, that is called vertically. Okay, now example will be in horizontal form or maybe in vertically form, but how, what is the way of solving that? If example is like this, 2 multiply 3 is equal to, so it is in horizontal form. आड़े में आड़ा होना, आड़े example, that is horizontal form. And in English, that is standing, writing standing, that means vertical multiplication or vertically multiplication. Now here is the example in front of you, that is 2 multiply 3, that is in vertical form. Okay, now we know that who is the multiplier and who is the multiplier. We have to speak the table of 3 to 2 or up to 2. It means 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. We know that. We can speak the table. So the answer is 6. Understood? You have to speak the table of 3 up to 2. Next example. 6 into 4. Okay. Now 4 is multiplier. So you should speak the table of 4 up to 6. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. Okay, now we will stop the saying table and we got answer, that is 4 6 are, do you know, did you recite the table? 4 6 are, that is 24. So that is why below this the product is 24. Answer in is 2 digits, so that is why TO, below the T we will write 2 and below the ones we are writing 4. So remember in your mind, students, you should write the answer. If the answer is in 2 digit, so you should write like this. Okay, next example. 9 into 5. 9 is multiplier, 5 is multiplier. We have to find their products. We will start the table of 5 up to 9. 5 से टेबल शुरू करना है, 9 तक आपको बोलना है ना स्टूडेंट्स? So speak the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 3, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 50, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 45, 9s are 45. So we got answer, we got product 45. How easy they are, students? Are they difficult? No, they are very easy examples if you know the tables, if you know the property. 8 into 0. Here no need of speaking the table. Why, students? Because multiplier is 0 and we know the property. When we multiply the number by 0, the answer is 0. So using the property, we will write its answer and the answer will be 0. 8 multiply 0. So always keep the properties in your mind, students. Now the last example for you only. You have to find their answer. Okay? 7 multiply 1. What answer will be? You have to tell me. Bye.